Welcome to the Strategic Impact Report. Today, we're diving straight into the sheer enormity and incredible pedagogical innovations happening right now with STEM education at FAMU. We're looking at a massive transformation driven directly by Dr. David W. White's leadership. It's totally reshaping how we approach science, technology, engineering, and mathematics across the entire region. So here is a quick look at our agenda. We're going to cover leadership and impact, the Stream Squared engine, the pedagogy behind CSET and teaming, and finally, the Lunar Base Challenge.
All right, let's jump right into part one, leadership and institutional impact.
When you look at these key performance metrics, the immediate return on investment is just undeniable. Under Dr. White's guidance, this initiative didn't just reach a few people. We're talking over 1,500 K-12 students and more than 40 teachers engaged. Add in 15-plus robust community and school partnerships, and nearly $10,000 in revenue generated in just one single year. That is sustained, measurable community integration at its finest. Now, the really crucial takeaway here is that pipeline development number, over 1,500 K-12 students. To put that into perspective, this isn't just a handful of isolated weekend events. No, it's a structured, multi-year engagement strategy. It's literally bringing college readiness directly to FAMU and actively, deliberately shaping the future STEM workforce. Moving right along to our second section, the Stream Squared engine. You know, the Stream Squared Fab Lab operates as so much more than just a room with some 3D printers in it. It is the absolute driving force of FAMU's entire STEM pipeline. Driven by Dr. White's leadership, the Stream Squared framework brilliantly embeds reading and research directly into STEM. It functions as a living, breathing laboratory, bringing teaching, research, service, and workforce development together under one single roof at FAMU.
Okay, let's look at section 3, pedagogy, specifically CSCTED and teaming.
This really hits the nail on the head regarding a major problem in modern education. I'm talking about those isolated, traditional educational silos. You know, where math is taught in one room and science in a totally different one. Contrast that with the CSET methodology, which stands for Comprehensive STEM Education and Teaming. This solution beautifully marries technology and engineering with real-world projects. It lets students see exactly how all these disciplines deeply interconnect. It's an all-encompassing approach championed at FAMU to finally break down those silos. And to actually operationalize this massive level of collaboration, Dr. White's framework utilizes the Foundation 5 rules of teaming. Treat others as you want to be treated, walk the talk, value another's views, be part of the solution, and hang together. These are drawn directly from Total Quality Management and Lean Six Sigma, so they aren't just your standard classroom rules. They are highly transferable leadership and workplace skills designed to totally empower students for their future careers. Which brings us to section 4, application through the Lunar Base Challenge. This multi-week Lunar Base Design Challenge is just incredible because it perfectly aligns with NASA's continuum. It walks middle schoolers step by step from forming a functional team and establishing ground rules all the way to calculating environmental systems design, physically building a 3D habitat layout to scale, and then presenting their engineering decisions. It is literally the Stream Squared pedagogy firing on all cylinders. As we wrap up this report, I want you to consider this overarching takeaway. The Stream Squared Hub is a high-performing, strategically aligned institutional asset. Its continued explosive growth under Dr. White's leadership represents a huge opportunity to expand impact even further. What has already been accomplished at FAMU is really just the beginning. So the final question I want to leave you with today is this. How will your institution leverage these Stream Squared frameworks to build the next generation of aerospace innovators?